Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to make Item ESP for Roblox. We're going to do this without a drawing lib because A, not all exploits use drawing libs, and so it might only work for certain exploits, and B, it's a lot easier to just use Billboard GUIs. Although it is a really bad practice, it is a lot easier. So I do recommend using a drawing lib, but for this tutorial, we're not going to use one. I might make a tutorial in the future on an advanced version, which we will use a drawing lib, and I might remake like ESP instead of highlight with lit. But let's get started. So before this video starts, guys, the full source code is going to be in the Discord, discord.gg/sulfate. If you guys need any help with the script, join that. And we're going to be releasing a auto execute script hub that's going to be coming. It's going to be really good. It's going to have a home menu. It's going to have all really cool features. It's going to be $5, so make sure to join the Discord if you guys want to buy that soon. But if you guys really need help, or if you guys want the source code, it's all in the Discord. So join the Discord. We have 700 members. We're getting more every day, so join up. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is make our Billboard GUI. So I'm just going to insert a part, and I'm just going to, sure, I'm getting stomped on again. Bro, what? Okay, sorry. So I'm just going to rotate this part and scale it down a bit. Insert Billboard GUI and a text label. Okay, and now what you're going to do is put on always on top. There we go. You can change the size. So something like well, let's so if we now go into it like this, it'll get bigger and then smaller. So put the max distance on inf, and now if you see that it won't scale if you get farther, which is what we want. Let's see what we can do. Keep the studs offset the same. So let's increase the size a bit. Okay, and now what we need to do is this. We need to increase the text label. So that's the Billboard GUI size. Let's go to the text label. Put the size on 1, 0, 1, 0, and there we go. Alright, and then put on text scaled, and now it is like a normal label. Alright, so then we're gonna just put as the label, I'm gonna write something like object. And then what we're gonna do is make the text like something easy to see. So like a red, like that, or like we'll just make it like a greenish, dark greenish cyan, like that. And then we'll make the background transparency on 1. And there's our object. We're gonna make the text have a stroke too. But put the stroke on, like, we'll just make the equal 0.3. Something like that looks good. So now what we're gonna do is get this Billboard UI, go to plugins, and you can get any GUI to Lua plugin. I'm going to be using this one by my friend Road to Glory. We can get any UI plugin though. You can just look it up. Okay. So here it is. We're gonna change this parent to actually, you know what? We're gonna not use this one because it'd be a bit easier if we just use any other one. So let's see if I have any other ones installed. Yeah, Roblox to Lua. We're just gonna use this. Oh, is it not popping up? Okay, whatever. I think it's broken. It's okay though. Let me just go manage my plugins real quick. Let me update these two. Oh, wrong thing. See if that fixed it. Okay, no, I didn't, but okay, here it is. UI Lua revamped. Okay, here we go. So we're just gonna use this one. So right, and here is the one we want to use for at least for this because this is we don't need to convert scripts. Okay, we're gonna go grab all this and go to a VS Code project and paste it all in here. Okay. So first things first, we need to do for IV in pairs do in pairs game.workspace find first child, and we're going to be using the hood as an example. So let's go ahead and just execute darkdex. Alright, so let's just go execute darkdex. Alright, and now let's go see what kind of money, where the money is. So it's probably going to be in like map or something. So alright, here we go, money drop. So here's the folder. So we can just copy this path. I'll just let myself get raped. So .ignore .drop, and then get children. Oh fuck. Do. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna do billboard local cloned local b cloned equals billboard GY clone local key cloned equals text label clone t cloned dot parent equals b cloned. Okay, actually, know what we can do is just take all of this, put it here. Just indent this. I know you could do this with the LSP, but I'm just gonna do this manually because the LSP sometimes messes up. Okay, so we're gonna change this to B clone. So we're gonna hit Control F and find billboard GUI, and then we're gonna place with B cloned, and then change this to change this back to billboard GUI. And then text label T clone. And then change this to actually, you know what we can do is put all this back and then just copy all this, Control X, and put it right in here. Alright, so now that we have everything here, we're going to set the parent to V. And then text label to money. Or you can set it to v.name. It's whatever you want. This is only gonna work once though. So just put this on so we're just gonna put this in a render steps loop. So just do local run service equals game get service run service. Okay, and then we're gonna do run service dot render stepped connect function. Oh fuck, connect function. It's gonna say delta time, but just do that. Okay, it's gonna give you an error because you gotta put n down here. Okay, and we gotta do if not v find first child we're gonna set the billboard GUI dot name equals to ESP. So if not find first child ESP then and then do this and then add another end. Alright, so let's just execute this, see what happens. Oh, okay. Okay, so as you see, there's our money. So let's see if, let's go ahead and execute DarkDex. And we gotta do a bit of tinkering, but ignored. Try not to get fucking killed. So there's our ESP. Let's try and see if there's some money in here. Or oh. Yeah, so it gets added. So it does update. But we need to do some. So if not, then we need to do if v.name is equal to money drop, then another end. The reason why we need to do this is because it's gonna put it on every other drop and not just the money drops. Like it's putting it on these, which is not. See, it's not giving us money. See, it's just that. So that's how we fix that. Let's make a highlight now. So let's go back to Roblox Studio and go to this part, add a highlight. Okay, we're gonna make the adorny part. Depth mode always on top. Show fail transparency on 0. Actually, now we can put it on like 0.5. Okay. And then we're gonna use UI to Lua to convert this to. Oh, I don't think it. Yeah, I don't think it actually can convert it. So we're just gonna put this on my second monitor and copy it down. So local highlight. I'm getting carried right now. Doesn't really matter at all. It's just that new highlight. Highlight dot adorny. Actually, highlight dot archiveable equals true. Highlight dot adorny equals v. Highlight dot parent equals v. Highlight dot name equals ESP highlight. Highlight dot depth mode equals enum dot depth mode, or enum dot highlight depth mode dot always on top. Highlight dot enabled equals true. Highlight. Oh, wait, is it? Can I even do? No. Okay. Highlight dot fill color equals color3 dot new 25500. Highlight dot fill transparency equals 0.5. Highlight dot outline color equals color3 dot new 255. Should be white. Highlight color dot outline transparency equals 0, and that should be it. So let's see if the highlight was added. Okay, it wasn't. I'm just gonna. Oh, it's because we have to. Okay, I'm just gonna delete. Yep. So now that I deleted it, you'll see that the ESP highlight is added to it. Yeah, it's over there. So now that all the new money has you know, this underground. You'll see any money being dropped. Now it gets highlighted. But you'll see that like it's really hard to see. So we gotta do some tweaking to the billboard UI, which is really easy actually. Because if we gotta increase the size to like, I think in like 0, and if we're gonna use offset, we can put like 500, like this. So it gets really big, and then when you get to it, it's really small. But we're gonna, instead of like 500, we can do like 300. Or like 250. So then it will get really big if you're really far, and then Or we can do something like, okay, so yeah, we can do something like that. So go here. I'm gonna change the size on to 250, 250, and then execute this and delete ESP, and there we go. So you'll see we have money, and it's not hard to see. And then we can go and, pick it up, but we can't because it's underground. So there's also this billboard UI in here, which holds the text of that. So let's actually add the currency. So text equals money space .v find first child billboard GUI dot dot text label dot text. And then if we execute this and get rid of this, oh, okay, hold up. There we go. Add a capital V. There you go. So there's money 100. Obviously you can tweak it. This one hasn't updated because we haven't fixed it, but obviously you can tweak it, and it should stay working, and it shouldn't overlap. So as you see, if you have stuff overlapping over that, like, there's a lot of money, and that's because someone's robbing the bank. So like if we were to go into here, someone's robbing this shit, you see. So I mean, you could make it pretty small and like do some other stuff with the billboard UI, but I'm just gonna keep it like this because for the sake of time, you can see there's a bunch of money over there. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, make sure if you have any issues in the Discord, and the source code is going to be in the Discord, discord.gg/sulfate. If you go to the bottom of your thing and click add, if you're adding a Discord, and put in sulfate, it'll join right to it. So yeah, see you guys.